Hi everyone, good evening. The time now in Riyadh, 6 p.m. and UTC time, it's +3. So it's 3 p.m., 3 p.m. UTC. I will continue for 30 minutes and we will be with the software tree shed. Okay. At the beginning, just a quick introduction. Here we are talking about software you can install totally free. Let's execute at first zoom it from Microsoft. It's a lightweight tool. So I can zoom like this, zoom in and zoom out. Control 4. Now I'm clicking. Okay. So you can go to exchange.adobe.com. And here, click on Creative Cloud page. Then search for tree shade. And you will find here. It's an extension and it's a free. You can install on Creative Cloud, especially in design for content management and auto-generating, for asset management, where you can modify the links, the names, or you can move the link from folder to folder. And InDesign will fix the link automatically. So you can structure the asset in logical hierarchy, in logical way, like you can separate the links from actual books or actual files, projects, to be in the logical context where these files belong in the library. Okay, this also has local server installed with the software. Here in Adobe Bridge, this extension, you will have this menu. And here we have a panel, tree shade panel. Here you have at first as is. It's actually, I added here in my computer. You will not see this menu. You will see a new, this submenu. And it's actually a real folder installed with the software called new. So if you select reveal this path, you will see that you have folder called new inside initial. So inside the workspace that you need to create and select or determine if you already have one. Inside the workspace folder, you have workshop, then initial, then a new. And you can duplicate a new folder. So you can have custom template for yourself. And here I was testing. I duplicate a new. Then when you restart, then you can add that folder to be template menu using this command. Add new path. Then the new folder will be submenu like this. You can remove using this command, remove this path. The path has been removed. The path has been removed. Restart if you want to apply. So it will still seeing as is, but if we restart, it's close and open again. I will go live tomorrow at the same time at 6 p.m. Riyadh time, 3 p.m. UTC time. Okay, now Aziz submenu removed, but the folder still exists. If you go to initial folder, reveal this path, this new, go back to initial, you will see that the folder still exists. Anyway, inside workshop, you will have folder called projects. Folder called project. Open that folder, and from here you can open the dynamic form by clicking here, clicking this button, entry shade panel. Okay, here you will have items that you can duplicate to create a new project, or you can build the project items. Like here, you can use the item itself to go to separated page for the project. And here you have items, basic items installed with the software. And you can edit also. If you open tree shade menu, new, you will have these basic items. Cells, horizontal and vertical. So you can add items to be placed in InDesign document in cells, horizontally or vertically. Here container have dynamic approach to change the type itself. Frames to separate the item in frames. This icon with the hyperlink URL, and this for markdown, so the end user can write the text as markdown, and it will be rendered in InDesign, and new styles will be created and assigned to each paragraph. Here you have photo, and here entirely a new sub project. Here it's simple sub container. This separated by a new line, so each item will be in new line. Simply. Here you have CSV table, and we have text, just a plain text. I intend in future to add chart item. Okay. If you have a project, you can open, if you have here in the online form, you can browse the project and reveal in Adobe Bridge by copying the URL, and from tree shade menu, select navigate to. Then paste the URL and click OK. And you will go to that project folder. Here we have the folder name as an ID for the project itself. Here we have the label that you can modify, test size, and it's related to the paired file beside the folder, not inside it. So the label not inside the project folder, but beside it. So if we go back one step, you will see that we have text file represent the item renderer, because this item represent and render the folder, the bird folder that has the same ID. Here at the last JC, and here we have JC. Tree shade make logical relation between the text file and the bird folder. So if you double click the text file, it show you a message to open the bird folder. And here in the tree shade panel, you have let's see if we select the file only, the text file. You can see here it's supposed to show you paired. Yes, paired. So here paired, that means the file has a folder with its pure name. The pure name of the text file here, the ID itself, because the pure name is the file name without its extension, without the display part inside the square bracket at the end of file name, and without any flag that start with TS underscore. So any text like this, TS underscore OPT, TS underscore any character removed and this removed and the extension removed. So here we get only the ID. And the folder has the same ID. Here you can go to that folder by clicking go. And here you have the label. So we have the text file name here. To know where are you now, not depending on the folder name, because the folder name has only ID. So you depend on this to know the label of the folder. This is in design document. Let's put in design on the left. And here we have link. This link inside data folder. Now, if we change the name of the link, like instead of image, let's write laptop. Now tree shade automatically fix the link here. Now it's missed, then tree shade automatically fix the link. But you need to be assured that tree shade is running. The problem now is tree shade is not running in InDesign because we don't have here menus, tree shade menu and live snippet. So from window, select extensions, then tree shade. If you close the InDesign while the panel is opening, it will be opened automatically. But if it was closed, you need to start. And this is important and safe. So if tree shade extension make a problem for your files, you can close, then restart InDesign, and it will not annoying you. You can check if the problem from the extension or not. Then you can open at any time. See now, the link fixed automatically. Let's move back one folder. Here we have, if you right click on the file, you have a submenu, context submenu called tree shade. And if you want to move any file or copy, that always use this command, change. And here we have customized advanced command for changing the files, the names, or moving from place to place in dynamic, flexible, unlimited way. So if you click run, you will have here many sophisticated commands you can apply for manipulating the files like they are database. One of the favorite command is this, replace the bus. You can copy this and you can write here fn file name. So uh, this represents the current path, same current path. And this str means the current folder. So the same file name in the same current folder, and then add this at the end or any place, which means replace path. And you can here write regular expression to change with something else. You have replaced the file name if you want. Instead of p n, replace the file name. Then from to, and here we have use regex in from part, but put asterisk into in this part where the two exist to be asked for a new list. So if I put here asterisk, I change uh, I change multiple files depending on list, so I can write the names as list. Let's cancel now. What we want, let's try to move this folder back, not inside data, just back. So here, tree shade submenu, change, then move back. These commands actually you can modify and you can add command as you want, depending on the syntax that you write in run. So this syntax enables you to write any any imagine phrase that you think, moving the files in any way you want. Like here, copy here, move back. Each one related to syntax. Let's run again. Click run so you can see. See here, move back. So these shortcuts automatically added to the menu, and move back have this phrase. Two dots mean go back of the current folder. L means the rest of subpath to the file name. So if you are selecting a folder, the folder will be included in the L, the folder and its subfolder. And this means without bird folder. Without or with, let's check, WP. There is no instruction about it. I forget to add instruction about WP. This WP with the bird folder. So the file will be moved with the bird folder. This move back. This move to new folder and has this NFAF. NFAF. What's the meaning of NFAF? NFAF. New folder for each file. NFAF. New folder for each file. So if you selected multiple files, each of these files will be moved to separated folder. So if you executed this command, this shortcut, move to new folder, each of the selected files will be moved to a new folder. And here we have the same file name. And here with its paired folder. Okay. Let's move back. Right click. Tree shade change. Then move back. See the link is not broken, is not missed. We select this. That you will see inside the project folder directly. Let's rename manually. Just laptop without the ID. See now it's missed, then automatically fixed. Okay, that's enough for now. Now we have 30 minutes. And I will go live tomorrow at the same time. And probably I will go live after 2 hours and a half. Thank you for watching and goodbye.